Hello, in this video I'm going to teach you how to enable your Amazon CloudCam to notify you when there is glass breaking in your house. If someone breaks into your house, the sound of the broken glass to notify you, to get a notification. So this is how we do it. You go to your Amazon CloudCam and choose the camera of your choice out of the different cameras that you have. So let's say front yard for now. You go to settings, which is the icon up there. Go to notifications and find glass breaking, and then you could say record this event or notify you. So I want it to be recorded. If I want to be notified, I click on that, so now it will notify me. Alright, that's how you, once you're done, you just exit out and you're good to go. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.